Hello everyone. There has been a lot of talk about AI and agents. People have been saying things like you should learn AI or you'll perish. You should automate every possible workflow on earth with AI. Well, I am not here to say all of that. As a non-technical person, I've been building little projects where I use AI agents. Basically, I'm trying to figure out where agents fit and where they don't. And I'm very happy to be taking you along in this journey of mine where you also get to learn and build just as I do. But to start with, let's answer a very basic question. What is an AI agent? An AI agent is actually much beyond the capabilities of an LLM. An agent can observe information, decide what to do next, act on it, and then repeat all the steps till it reaches its goal. So, to make things simpler, I'll just give you a comparison of an agent with a human being, but of course, metaphorically. Well, an agent can be thought of comprising four critical parts. First, the brain or the model. So just like the brain gives us ability to comprehend and reason, the model or the LLM gives the agent the same powers. Then comes the tools or the hands of the agent. So hands give human beings the ability to act on the outside environment. Tools also do the same to the agent. And in agentic environment, tools can mean things like APIs, custom Python functions, or databases. Third is the orchestration or the nervous system. So the orchestration actually decides when the agent should think versus when it should act, and it also manages the memory and the state of the agent. Fourth is the deployment layer or the body and legs of the agent. So the deployment is what makes sure that the agent gets hosted somewhere in the servers, basically outside your local environment, where it becomes accessible to other users or other agents. What is very important is to know what is not an agent. An agent is not just a one shot prompt. An agent is probably not a system where you have a lot of hard coded rules written in, right? So you need an agent when the outcomes are a little unpredictable, when you don't have control on the intermediate inputs and outputs. That's when you need an agent. But you know what? Because an agent has a lot of autonomy, it can invite a lot of trouble. Sometimes the output can go seriously wrong, and it can also bring in a lot of ethical and safety concerns. That's why when you are building with agents, it's very, very important to design a tight system with good guardrails, right? So yeah, so that is basically what an agent is. In the next session, we'll start building a very simple agent. I have also included an article which you can refer to alongside watching this video. And to make things a little exciting, I have put in a little quiz in the comments. Please do answer it. I will heart the correct ones. Well, stay tuned. See you in the next session.